how does it work if you want to manually update apps on the iPhone? Let me show you all that you need to know about it. Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you need to at first open up the settings app of the iPhone and go toward the bottom section there where you can see the apps menu. And from the apps, select the App Store, which is it's all sorted alphabetically, so it should be easy to find. And there you have the automatic section. So we have the app downloads, app updates, and in-app content. And we are interested in the app updates because it tells us there in the description that it will automatically install new app updates. And if you don't want that to be the case, you need to disable the app updates, like toggle here, and all of the updates will be performed manually. And the way that it would work is that you would just go to the App Store, look up the name of the app, and you would be able to see if an update is available. So next to the app icon and a name, you either have the text on the button saying open. If that is the case, you can just open the app and start using it. But if there is an update available, you'll be able to click on the update button and make sure that you decide to install it, that it doesn't happen automatically in the background without you even knowing. So that is something that you probably wanted to achieve. Let me know in the comments below if you like this kind of video and straight to the point content. If you do, subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials as well, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.